What is going on, my beautiful base fam? Hope you guys are having a beautiful day. We are here talking about a project that we have called so early right here on this channel, guys. And honestly, excitingly enough, I just went out for dinner with the team, guys. I have a lot of bullish things that I could talk about, and honestly, a whole lot of bullish things that I really can't tell you guys about. But just know this dinner made me double down on my conviction. If you don't know what project we're talking about, it is none other than Midas, the Minotaur. All right, guys, I'm super excited to be getting into today's video. If you guys are new, make sure you subscribe, you hit the bell notification, and you like this video so YouTube pushes it out on the algorithm. And why is it important that you guys subscribe? Well, honestly, guys, at 20,000 subscribers, we are giving away $2,000. And honestly, you want to stay tuned for this video because this just might make you go and buy a fat bag. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, but there's a lot of good things that this project is doing, and let's take a look. Now, first of all, I just want to say right off the bat here, the team is honestly phenomenal. Okay, let me actually switch over. You can see here that I did go out to dinner a couple nights ago. I heard a lot of bullish things, guys, stuff that I can't say publicly, but you know, it was enough to kind of make me go like, oh, there's a lot of potential here. And one of the guys we met and that we actually went out to dinner with was known as Luca. You guys have probably heard of him. You guys have probably seen him on the spaces. He is probably more of a prevalent voice for Midas as well. Super genuine, down to earth, no ego. He's exactly a type of person that you want behind a fair launch crypto project, which is what Midas literally is. And you can see I posted a picture from that dinner, but which, by the way, phenomenal steak. That thing was amazing. When kings meet, it's always epic. Thanks for the conversation, laughs, and just getting to know you guys. It was myself, Crypto RJ, and Luca from Midas. Now, here's the biggest takeaway from that whole dinner, right? In my humble opinion, the biggest takeaway, I've been introduced to a lot of meme coins, guys. I've been around. I mean, meme coins are my bread and butter. I know everything that comes in the trenches. I know everything that's come out, and I do this full time, right? And I've seen a lot of meme coins that have promised a lot, that have over promised and under delivered. I've seen a lot of meme coins that have come out that have been very short lived, and their charts are probably down 90% right now. They're probably sitting under $50,000 market cap right now. Projects that ran close to $1 million at one point. And this project right here, Midas, is one that is literally holding so well right now. Okay, sitting at $3.68 million with a peak of around 7.54, guys. This thing is holding really well. Look at the amount of liquidity that this project has. It is absolutely insane. And you know, from all the base meme coins that I've seen, I was telling Luke, I'm like, guys, you guys are doing something right with this project. And his whole stance was, what are you even talking about, right? He told us straight up that in their eyes, in the team's eyes, which by the way, there's quite a few of them behind that team as well. So again, a lot of credibility, I think a lot of trust between them. And I think that honestly, they're doing things the right way. And he told us that in their eyes, in Midas' eyes, the project has barely even started yet. He told us that until they hit $100 million market cap, that they are not satisfied, okay? And that's when their real roadmap, their real expansion, and the real narrative truly kicks in. I really wish I could tell you guys about some of the stuff that they have rolling out, but I can't, right? So I guess you're seeing everything now. You see all the hype, you see all the growth, and all the new eyes kind of coming into the markets. And according to the team, they're literally just warming up, guys, especially right now, considering how the market is. The fact that this project is holding this well, mind you, I do hold quite a bit of Midas because I do believe that the project is going to do well. And honestly, after meeting them in person, seeing how they operate, hearing their vision, and again, like I said in the beginning of this video, it truly just makes me want to double down. And I think that this isn't just another one of those meme coins where the devs disappear or pivot every week. These guys are locked in. These guys are building. These guys are hungry. They were telling me about some of the marketing plans that they have, and few things. One of the things that they're coming out with is insane. Okay, I feel like it's going to change the game for a lot of you crypto holders out there. And one of the other things, guys, is absolutely insane. I couldn't even wrap my mind around the fact that they're able to get that. Again, I can't speak too much about it. You're actually stupid early into this project, guys. And I feel like $100 million market cap, if they have that, if all the members on the team have that same goal and want to reach for that, I feel like, guys, when the market recovers, when we start doing well in 2026, when more money, when more liquidity flows into the crypto market, I do not see why. I don't see as to why they wouldn't be able to achieve that. Again, like, we had great conversation, guys. Honestly, I'm pretty sure that dinner was like 4 or 5 hours long. We also talked about cars, the Supra. He was showing us his car as well, guys. Again, super down to earth people. The chart looks really nice as well, guys. In the last week, up about 4.24%. You can see a good amount, a healthy amount of volume as well, sitting at a 24-hour gain of 68.9%. In the monthly, we are down, but again, ever so slightly, right? 15.69%. And in the yearly chart, looks phenomenal. The website as well, it looks good. And I was telling them that Midas to me is a breath of fresh air because you've seen all the dog plays, you've seen all the cat coins, you've seen all the frog coins, you've seen plays come out left, right, and center that might, especially on base, right? Because base meme coins, volume and liquidity flow in and out of meme coins, guys. This is a project that's held up really well, and honestly, because of it, it's 100% fair launch, right? So there was no team allocation on launch, and again, that is something that I could get behind. They also implement community feedback very well. And you can see he is Find the King on Coin Market Cap. They have a couple exchange listings. Again, are working on a bunch as well, guys. If you want to learn more about their tokenomics, you want to learn more about the project itself, go over to their website. We'll have a link down in the description below. But again, look, this is a markup that I made when we first called this project. Okay, we first called this, guys, I think on this channel at like $320,000 market cap. Literally broke out into this insane range, just smashed through millions upon millions of dollars of market cap. We called this in the private Discord. We ate, and like this thing rode up to about $8 million, guys. And this was probably one of our better calls. Getting in just shy of $400,000 market cap is about a 20x return. Now, if you guys want to know exactly what cryptos I'm buying and selling, you want to join the Memecoin Mastery, guys. My private Discord link is in the description. And again, the optimistic side of things, guys, in terms of the entire crypto market, Poly market shows a 93% chance of a 25 basis points rate cut in December. Only 5 days left before the FOMC meeting. A cut would mark a real shift towards softer policy and could boost liquidity across markets. Again, more money to flow into the markets, more money for risk on assets, more money for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and hey, it might flow into Midas. Now, one thing that these guys are doing right is their marketing. Okay, they have a very solid animator. They have very solid pictures out. They are doing a good job with the spaces, guys. You'll always see them on there. And again, you guys will be able to find Luca on there as well. If you guys do tune into a Midas space and you see Luca on there, make sure you guys comment and ask him how that dinner went, and so on and so forth. This was, again, a picture from that dinner. Phenomenal. And one thing that they did is for Crypto Fight Week, I think this was over in Dubai, they actually sponsored a fighter. This was super cool, right? So this is J Chains. Massive shout out to the Midas, the Minotaur team, and community. Support I received from Midas family hit deeper than I expected. Luca, Jay, Doc Nicole, and everyone else have shown me nothing but genuine support, not just in the spotlight, but behind the scenes where it counts. That kind of energy fuels you in a way people don't see. I'm grateful, I'm motivated, and I'm excited for what we did leading up to the fight night. The chapter was big, but the next one will be even bigger. Again, like I was saying, we got a pretty good read on Luca from that dinner, guys. Super genuine people, and they are a project that I could get behind, right? You can see here, let's go, 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Phenomenal animations, by the way. This is super cool. Shout out to the editor because they're definitely doing something right. And again, here's something that's super cool. 8.88 million Midas tokens were burned, officially kicking off our season of giving. Now, I think that is super cool. This was back in November 27th. The Golden Gang believes in prosperity share. So today, without warning, we set the tone for a legendary holiday run. These guys are out here burning tokens, okay? That's pretty cool, guys. That's something that you want to see. This burn marks the official kickoff for the Midas season of giving, a season where we lift each other up, reward believers, and fuel the next wave of bullish growth. One thing they are also doing, guys, they do a ton of giveaways over on their X. I want you guys to go drop their follow over on X. Stay up to date with the relevant information about the project, because trust me, it's one thing to hear from me, but it's another to get it straight from the team. Also, the other guy that I went to dinner with, you guys may have heard from Crypto RJ. You know, I was forced to take this guy with me, I had to drag him along. But if you guys want, go check out his video as well, because he summed it up pretty well as well, guys. We've seen a lot of meme coin projects come into the markets, but we haven't seen one that has held as well as Midas has done. Again, these guys are fairly new. They came out at the end of August. It's only December right now, guys. They haven't even been out for 5 months yet, but the chart speaks for itself, okay? There's a lot of charts that have run up to 5 million, that have taken tolls, that have taken hits down to 500K. Midas looks a little bit different. If there's any meme coin, a base meme coin that I've been bullish on, it is Midas. I feel like I've been just glazing these guys, but again, you can see J Chain's talking about it as well. You got 3-month symmetrical triangle with textbook structure, higher lows holding since October, sellers losing steam every bounce, volume driving up into the apex, and price just bounced perfectly off trend line support. One thing I do want to say, guys, is their team is huge, okay? So they have a pretty good team, and one thing that you guys need to understand, all of them have the same vision of getting to the $100 million mark, and I heard that these guys are still accumulating, that they are still buying even at current prices. Now, one thing you do need to know is you always want to buy when there's fear, when there's uncertainty and there's doubt in the markets. But obviously, fellas, I'm not a financial advisor. Please go out there, do your own research, do your own due diligence before you buy into anything. I'm just letting you guys know how I think this meeting went and why I doubled my conviction for this project. If you guys are new, subscribe, hit the bell, and remember, guys, none of this is financial advice. It's only here to entertain and to educate you. And if that's worked, then hey, amazing. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care. Peace out, y'all.